Argentina 1303 Heavy, contact Miami Center, 135.6.
135.6, Argentina 1303 Heavy.
Avianca 009er, turn running 180.
180, Avianca 009er.
Avianca 009er, ese es el que va para...
Roger, Brickyard 4380, 2000, 5000.
Dale hasta ahora más o
Brickyard
menos.
4380, Miami departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7000.
Up to 7000, 4380.
Riddle
Okay,
437,
entonces,
traffic
bien.
passing off to your left, about 9 o'clock on a mile, 1500 Cessna.
Riddle 437, looking for traffic. Riddle 437, traffic sight.
Roger. Avianca 009er, turn right 210, climb maintain 16,000.
Heading 210, climbing to 16,000, Avianca 009er.
Departure Brickyard 4365, 1.5 for 5,000, heading 120.
Brickyard 4365, Miami departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7,000.
7,000, Brickyard 4365.
Riddle 458, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles eastbound, indicates 1400, unverified, suggest climbing to 2000.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and climb 2,000, look for the traffic roll for CA.
Brickyard 4380, turn righting 180.
180, 4380.
Miami departure 287 Tango Charlie 900 feet, climbing 8,500 feet, skydivers.
287 Tango Charlie, Miami departure, ident. Cleared into the Bravo, maintain VFR, report a minute prior.
Ident, cleared
Okay.
into the Bravo, report a minute prior, 7 Tango Charlie.
Avianca 009er, turn left heading 180.
180 on the heading, Avianca 009er.
Brickyard 4365, proceed direct skips.
Air skips, Brickyard 4365.
Riddle 458, traffic's 12 o'clock, now on a mile eastbound, indicates 1400. Traffic 12 to 1 o'clock, 3 miles northbound, indicates 1500.
I have the traffic that's passing right off my left, and I'm waiting for the traffic that's on the right roll for CA.
Ready? Brickyard 4380, traffic 10 o'clock and 5 miles westbound, northwestbound 8073.
Inside, Brickyard 4380.
Avianca 009, proceed direct Eons.
Direct Eons, Avianca 009er.
Brickyard 4380, proceed direct Manatee.
Manatee, Brickyard 4380.
Ok, allá está la Downtown Miami, es el centro de Miami. Pero nosotros vamos para allá porque hay mucho tráfico aéreo por allá.
Right off my right, looks like he's turning eastbound.
458, yeah, that's the other aircraft. You got additional traffic, 2 o'clock and 5 miles northeastbound, orbiting in the area at 2000, it's unverified.
Looking for that traffic. You said he's off my 2 o'clock roll for CA.
Yeah, 2 o'clock and about 5 miles, and traffic 3 o'clock and 4 miles eastbound indicates 1000.
Yeah, I have him on the fish finder, but I'll let you know when I have the visual for CA.
Brickyard 4365, climb maintain 16,000.
16,000, Brickyard 4365.
Brickyard 4380, climb maintain 9,000.
9,000, Brickyard 4380.
Oh, Miami American 1021, out of 2 for 5.
American 1021, Miami departure, radar contact, climb maintain 7,000.
7,000, American 1021.
Brickyard 4380, climb maintain 10,000.
Up to 10,000, 4380. Miami approach, 2,500 okay for Riddle 458.
Riddle 458 approved as requested.
2,500 Riddle 458.
Riddle 458, traffic 2 o'clock, 2 miles eastbound, indicates 2000, it's unverified.
Yeah, I'm looking for